I'm a regional reliability manager for the Americas region at Guardian Glass. I work with our 9 plants across the US, Mexico, and Brazil on strategies for reliability and how we can overall improve our equipment performance and product performance. We're always looking to innovate and be top of the market. Our primary focus is on our customers. How do we improve our products? How do we reduce costs? How do we be the preferred partner? The reasons that we went with KCF is because of the level of detailed vibration data that we get from the sensors and that's available within the software. They helped us a lot in our scalability. In the past, a lot of times we just ran equipment to the point of failure. Now we're identifying faults or issues in equipment months before we ever need to take any big actions. When we're making float glass, you can't stop. We only stop making glass about once every 3 to 5 years. If we can see something, we can plan 6 months, 12 months in advance to actually make the repair. In today's world, everybody's collecting more and more data. With the machine learning and AI, it's not eliminating people, it's just enhancing those people that already have some of the knowledge. And once you get those couple of big wins and people start to see a fault within the system, and then they go out and they actually see in real life that what they saw on the sensor correlates to what they found on the equipment, suddenly it clicks to them, okay, there's value. You finally get that one big one that shows up, a big defect that you know really could have potentially taken you down for a couple days. And the first thing they do after they start it back up is go into the system and look what is the current running condition after the service in order to validate the work that they did. We actually had, with the sensors, identified a coupling that was starting to fail. We were able to identify it before it ever got to the point of a leak or presenting any kind of hazardous situation. We've got one plant that has identified a frequency. They monitor that specific frequency, and that tells them when they need to replace the filters for their cooling fans. They used to just do it time-based. They changed it though, and now they do it based on vibration. Sometimes when it's not in the pollen season, it may be 2-3 weeks that they do it. And then whenever they have this really high pollen time, they may even have to change them at 2 or 3 days during that specific couple of weeks whenever it gets really bad. So now we can really plan it out months in advance. We can make a proper job plan. We can do a proper job risk assessment. We can make sure that we also get the right people. So it's all about risk reduction for us. This really allows us to do that proper planning. Being able to make better and better decisions just continually makes our plant safer and operate more efficient. With our reliable and consistent equipment, it allows us to be flexible with our customers. The biggest impact really is safety. We're able to do less risky work when we're working on our equipment.